New ideas keep finding their way into Web3, like faster wallets, smarter protocols, and projects that blur the line between convenience and decentralization. From a multi-user SUI wallet built on the Internet computer to Dmail's integration with Coinbase embedded wallets and PANDA's expansion across the BNB chain, today shows how connected the ecosystem is becoming. Before we get into it, a quick note: Ledger Life runs independently without sponsors or ads. If you would like to help us keep creating these updates, there is donation details below. Let's start with a developer story that perfectly captures the spirit of blockchain innovation. Developer Kristofer has unveiled a new multi-user SUI wallet built on the Internet computer. What makes this project stand out is how quickly it came together. The whole thing was developed in just 8 hours. The wallet offers users a secure and convenient way to manage SUI tokens. By logging in with Internet identity, users can generate a SUI address, check balances, view transaction history, and send tokens, all through an interface that keeps the experience simple and familiar. The system's architecture is smartly designed. Public keys are fetched from a backend canister when users log in, then cached for the session. Meanwhile, balances and transaction data come directly from the SUI blockchain through its RPC API. The real security happens behind the scenes. Transaction signing is handled through a derived private key on the backend, which ensures user control and protection at all times. There was a small hiccup early on, a short delay caused by a signature format misunderstanding. But that's typical for an experimental build, especially one completed this fast. Christopher even noted that developers working with canisters should consider update call cost since each transaction generally takes about 2 to 3 seconds to complete. The wallet is currently live on the SUI testnet, open for anyone curious to try it out. And for developers, the setup process is straightforward. Configure the Internet computer environment, deploy the canister using Definity tools, and run the front end with Horde reloading through White. This isn't just another testnet tool. It's a small but meaningful example of how cross ecosystem development is evolving. It shows what's possible when you connect SUI's scalability with Internet computers' decentralized compute power, and how individual builders continue to shape the path toward a more accessible multi-chain future. Next, let's move to something from fuNAI, the AI-driven protocol that's been experimenting with blockchain-based tokenomics. They have just updated the top-up process for users powering their miner, which runs on the platform's tokenomics engine. The change emphasizes the use of 4 approved tokens like CKBTC, Bob, ICP, and fuNAI itself. So why this update? The idea is to streamline how the ecosystem handles value flow and keep the internal economy balanced. By relying on a defined set of tokens, fuNAI ensures that its tokenomics engine can process inputs consistently and that the system remains healthy over time. Here is what's changed. Users who try to send direct cycle transfers to minor canisters will now face a fee starting at 30%, which is expected to rise to 90% soon. That's a pretty steep penalty, and it's intentional. The goal is to discourage users from bypassing the official top up method. Instead, the platform encourages everyone to use the proper interface available on the official fuNAI website. That's the only route that fully supports the ecosystem's accounting and ensures your contribution is recognized by the tokenomics engine. This move reflects a wider trend across decentralized projects. Managing token flows carefully is becoming essential for long-term sustainability. Systems like these rely on predictable inputs and transparent rules, and fuNAI seems to be taking the responsible route by tightening its token operations before issues arise. For those interested, the platform's link is given in the description below, which provides full details and the official top-up interface. Now, here is something a little lighter and fun. A web-based game called Reaction Speed Test is gaining traction for its simplicity and addictive appeal. Created by developer Dexter using Caffeine AI, The game challenges players to test how fast their reflexes are, basically, how quickly you can click when prompted. It's a minimalist setup but surprisingly engaging. You get instant feedback on your reaction time and a newly launched user stats page hosted at the link given in the description below. Lets players see detailed performance metrics, leaderboards, and comparisons. One of the developers, Amspeed, has hinted at introducing caffeine promo codes for the top 3 players, adding a bit of competition to the experience. And here's the fascinating bit: the entire project was reportedly built in just 11 prompts using Caffeine AI's tools. That alone tells you something about how accessible AI assisted development is becoming. Projects like this show how quickly anyone can bring an idea to life, whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or something experimental using prompt driven platforms. It's a reminder that creativity in Web3 doesn't always have to mean complex infrastructure. Sometimes all it takes is a simple idea executed well to get people engaged. Over to the world of multi-chain assets now, Panda has officially gone live on the BNB chain. This launch is more than just a token listing. It's tied to OneBridge. It's a platform that allows seamless transfers between networks like the Internet Computer, Ethereum, BNB Chain, and other EVM-compatible blockchains. The OneBridge interface makes the whole process intuitive. Users can connect both their ICP and EVM addresses, select their source and destination chains, and transfer tokens with real-time balance tracking. At launch, transfers are zero fee, which is a smart way to encourage early adoption and let users familiarize themselves with cross-chain movement. The bridge operates fully on-chain, providing transparency and control to users. And for developers or those who want to understand what's under the hood, OneBridge has made its source code and support resources publicly available. This approach to multi-chain interoperability is exactly what users have been asking for: smoother cross-network movement without having to rely on custodial middle layers or complex setups. With Panda's integration into this system, token holders gain a lot more flexibility. They can move assets across ecosystems efficiently while maintaining full control of their holdings. It's a small but meaningful move towards a more fluid, connected blockchain experience. And finally, let's look at one of the more exciting partnerships in the decentralized communication space: Dmail network integrating Coinbase embedded wallets through the Coinbase developer platform. This integration bridges Web2 simplicity with Web3 control. In practice, it means you can log into Dmail using something as simple as your email or SMS, yet still retain non-custodial ownership of your assets. Once you are in, you can manage your wallets, access EVM and Solana networks, and even enjoy gas-sponsored smart accounts, all directly from the Dmail interface. Coinbase infrastructure ensures key security, while its native on-ramp integration allows users to fund wallets instantly. Dmail has also enhanced the mobile experience with full React Native support, giving users a smooth and secure interaction on their phones. This collaboration is more than a convenience feature, it's a strategic alignment. Dmail wants to make blockchain communication feel as natural as sending an email, while Coinbase provides the trusted backbone for wallet operations. The two are also planning joint marketing efforts to raise awareness about embedded wallet experiences. That is something we'll likely see more of across the Web3 ecosystem. Dmail's move positions it among the early projects merging communication, payments, and identity management into a unified layer. It's a glimpse of what Web3 might look like once mainstream users start onboarding through familiar, low friction interfaces. We covered everything from developer-built wallets and protocol economics to cross-chain tokens and embedded Web3 communication, all signs of a maturing and more connected blockchain environment. As always, Ledger Life remains independent. No sponsor influence, no paid promotions, just stories we believe are worth your time. If you would like to support our work, please consider donating or sharing our videos with others who care about decentralized innovation. All the project links and sources mentioned in this episode are given in the description below. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the ledgered world around you.